So you guys might have saw lots of product photography videos of shirts and dress in which either you have to create your product completely with the help of AI, or you have to crop and paste your product on your particular model, and the results were never ever good with that method. So what if now if I tell you there is an AI tool in which you can go ahead and train your AI model for your particular product, which can be like any shirt, t-shirt or dress, and you can have your product worn by any model, any human you like with the help of textual prompts. So yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do in this particular video. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so here we are back into the homepage of Flair.AI. So right off the bat, you guys would be familiar with this kind of interface where it basically provides you the workflows example. So we have like skincare, beauty and cosmetics, we have fashion model, human shots, and all types of product photography that you can go ahead and try right now without paying any money, right? So if you talk about the pricing of Flair.AI, so you can go ahead and get standard pro version for $10, which is totally worth it according to me. But if you are smart enough and if you want to go ahead and get the most out of the free version, so what you can do, I'm going to show you exactly in this video, right? So in this video, we're going to go ahead and test the fashion model, right? So through this, you will be able to go ahead and train your own model for fashion model photography projects. So yeah, that's exactly what we're going to go ahead and explore in this video, right? So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and click on fashion model. And in that, you'll be able to see these kind of custom models where you can go ahead and train your product, train your fashion and wearables and aesthetics. So in the previous video of AI clothing you saw, we used to go ahead and change the clothes on our model with the help of AI and text to image prompt, but the result weren't like too much accurate, right? We used to saw so many defects in our clothing or wardrobe, but not anymore, because now you can go ahead and train your whole model with the help of your garment, and you can go ahead and put that garment particularly to any prompt, to any model you want. That is absolutely crazy, you guys. So for that, you need to go ahead and go to start training, and it's going to direct you to the custom model training interface where it's saying upload 3 or more photos of your clothing. You can take these photos yourself or find them online. So in that, you can basically go ahead and upload at least 3 or as many photos of your garments as you like. So obviously the more would be better. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the photos that I have saved of my garments that I'm going to go ahead and produce product photography of, okay? So I'm going to basically go ahead and take these 4 photos of my t-shirt that I want to go ahead and sell online, and I want basically the fashion photography images of that particular product so that it would be good for my business, okay? So you guys can see the 4 images has been added to my Flair.AI. So this is basically would be my plain tee, which basically said Discovery, San Diego 1985. It is a very simple t-shirt. And then on the next step, we're going to go ahead and go to training. So over here, we have the training strength option. So you can go ahead and set that to the strong. So it will basically go ahead and get all the details of the shirt that are there in your product. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and set this at default first of all. And then we have the training speed. So you have 2 options over here. You can choose the fast track. It will take around 5 minutes to finish, but obviously it's going to require then the subscription to do so, right? So right now, I'm going to go ahead and select the standard normal version. Normal speed is going to take around 125 minutes to finish, okay? And after that, I'm going to click on start training. So it's going to take around 2 hours for my product training to be completed. So I'll be back once it's done, okay? Alright guys, so my training has been completed. So now we have the third step where you can go ahead and now generate any model you like that would be actually wearing your t-shirt. And you know what? The t-shirt, the product will be exactly similar that we trained our model on. So that is absolutely crazy. Okay, so first of all, we have this prompt. It basically provided our sample prompt, like photo of a teenage boy wearing like this t-shirt. So this is basically the link of the t-shirt that we train our model on. And you know, we have like t-shirt with short sleeves and a crew neck featuring a palm tree and a word discovery on the front, and basically provided all the prompt. And you know, it will be on the teenage boy, and it basically provided me these results. Like, take a look at this image, right? Not only basically provides accurate results of our product, of our t-shirt, but it also provides very natural faces, very natural models, right? So yeah, this image looks absolutely great. And if you take a look at the second one, and you guys can literally see like how beautiful and how natural this all looks for you guys, right? And everything on a t-shirt, like every writing is absolutely perfect, you guys, right? And from here, I'm going to tell you guys a crazy trick. You can go ahead and simply copy this prompt and come to ChatGPT, and now you can go ahead and basically modify this prompt and get more and more results for that particular product, right? So that you can go ahead and market that like with different models, with different lighting, different designs, different environment, just to get more and more out of your product. So I basically type in like change this prompt to someone else wearing this t-shirt, like any human with different background, different anything, modify this prompt with different variations. And it basically provided me like 5 initial results with casual urban scene, relaxed outdoor vibe, indoor artist scenes. So from now, I'm going to go ahead and basically select any other prompt, copy it in my Flair.AI, and make sure that your link remains the same. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy it from here. Only take this part into the beginning, okay, and then remove this link because it's already there in the prompt. Okay, now let's just go ahead and click on generate. All right, so now it's going to provide me with these results. You guys can literally see both of the images look absolutely perfect. We have very much accurate writing on the t-shirt. The design looks good. The image quality looks very, very natural, and it doesn't look like AI generated at all. So that's why this Flair.AI is absolutely my favorite, you guys, because it provides very accurate results. And now your product photography, your fashion photography has changed entirely. You can go ahead and start your own clothing brand. You can like upload image of your own t-shirts and just market it on different models, different persons, like just the way you want, okay? And just like that, I'm gonna go ahead and now select this vintage beach aesthetic prompt. So this will be photo of a man in his 20s wearing a white t-shirt, and I'm gonna go ahead and copy that in my Flair.AI. And from that, I basically got these 2 results. So you guys can see these look absolutely crazy, you guys, right? The results are very good, very accurate, very natural. And you can go ahead and change that just the way you like with the help of text to image prompt. And now what's crazy is that you have your model trained as your t-shirt in the prompt. So now, everything would be customizable, but your t-shirt, which will remain permanent, okay? All right, guys, so in the next example, I'm going to go ahead and train some other model, but this time it will be a female dress. So I'm going to go ahead and add the images of my female dress right over here. So I'm going to select these 4 images. All right, so once they are uploaded, we can go ahead and jump to our next step, which will be training. And I'm going to go ahead and start training. So it's going to take around, again, like 2 hours to complete it. So I'll be back when it's done. All right, guys, so once this is done, we can go ahead and now play around with the generate section. So now you can go ahead and do exactly the same that we did earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and first of all generate this first image just to see how it looks. All right, so it provided me with these results. First of all, you guys can see it looks absolutely perfect. The dress are really, really accurate, just the way we trained our model. And it was basically a photo of a young woman wearing a teal shirt and a pants set. And the scene was like a vintage 35mm lens in a professional fashion photography style. So now what we can do, we can go ahead and do the same step. We can copy this prompt, come to ChatGPT and do exactly the same, like, change this prompt to someone else wearing this t-shirt, like any human with different background, different anything, modify this prompt, and it's going to provide me like few of the variations that I can go ahead and test now to provide like more and more results to make my fashion photography better and better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and now select the second variation. Let's just say, come again to Flair.AI and copy paste right over here. Again, make sure that your link remains the same. Okay, so I'm going to delete the link from here because it's already there. Select this part, cut it, and paste it in the beginning. Okay, let's generate it. All right, so here are more of the results, you guys. This time you can see we have a woman with short curly hair who is wearing the same outfit. And yeah, you guys can see, the outfit is the same, only we are having a model with different poses, a different hairstyle, different ethnicity, and you guys can see, all the results turned out really, really good. Let's just go ahead and try out one last variation this time. All right, so this time we have a woman with long wavy hair wearing our same outfit that we uploaded. And you guys can take an idea, like this looks absolutely perfect. The results are really, really great, just the way we wanted. So now, what you can do, you can go ahead and create as many variations you want. And this time your product photography is on next level, right? So you can go ahead and use that for your professional business. And you can do like print on demand business with that very, very easily and, create amazing results and just boom your business without any problem. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.